our next guest became a teen mom, and she felt like her dreams had been ripped away. Determined to win at all costs, by overcoming many challenges, she decided to start her own business, proving that your past does not define your future. Now, joining us via Zoom is entrepreneur and founder of Jam Craft by Sue, Suannn Dallas. Good morning, Sue.
Hi, good morning, Janelle.
And how are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, and you?
All right, I'm great. So I thought that your story is so inspiring to others. You became a teen mother. How did that impact your dreams and aspirations?
To be honest, it did act as a fuel for pushing forward to aspiring my dreams. Even though at first it didn't feel that way, as it initially felt like, it was the end of the road for me.
All right. So talk to us through some of the challenges that you faced. You were in high school, you became pregnant. Talk to us about some of the challenges that you faced.
So some of the challenges I faced was basically societal stigma in terms of, you're a teen mom, you don't want to be in an environment. I also started to isolate myself and never liked being in public spaces. So even something as simple as going to church was really challenging for me. I was more wanting to stay inside all the time. I also started minimal self-harm, suicidal thoughts, and a lot of those stuff. Feeling very demotivated was very challenging. I used to attend one of the most prominent high school in Montego Bay, so definitely it was one of the saddest moments for me.
Okay, and so you transitioned from that high school and you started attending the Women's Center. Talk to me about that transition, and did you feel better being among other young ladies like yourself?
To be honest, yes, the Women's Center Foundation of Jamaica was definitely my safe space. It not only opened avenues and doors for knowing that, there are other persons out there like you with even situations that may be worse than what you have experienced. But it has also opened to show me that there's many ways of success, because during my tenure at the Women's Center Foundation of Jamaica, I was exposed to some areas such as cosmetology, which I was not exposed to at the high school I was going. So I was also exposed to other creative skills that I could have utilized now in my future, with my future self, to monetize and provide a way of earning for me and my son.
Okay, and then you got the NCB Level Up Grant in 2020. Talk to us about how that now propelled you for where you are today.
Honestly, that's one of my favorite moments, because even though I'm no longer a recipient, my coach has been the ultimate motivator for me. The NCB Level Up Foundation was a turning point for me. It came at a time when I lost 3 family members in the span of 1 year, as well as the closest friend that took me through that also transitioned that same year. So the NCB Level Up Foundation exposed me to additional digital skills and ways I could monetize and earn during the COVID 2019 period, as I was a recipient during the year 2020.
Mm-hmm. So talk to us about your business now.
So my business now, I am a certified graphic designer, a digital marketer, and I'm also for some an educator, because I do teach my skill onwards to persons who are interested. I operate an online business doing graphic design, printing, and social media management based in Montego Bay. But I not only offer my services locally, thanks to the NCB Level Up Grant, I'm also able to offer my services both internationally to other countries as well through online freelancing platform like Fiverr and Upwork.
Talk to us about your mental health now. How are you emotionally?
Emotionally, I would say for the most part, I'm healed. I am still not 100% at healing, but I'm working on it. And for every day that I will feel down, I would pray and still hold the cup closely that with God, everything is possible.
All right. Now, what advice do you have for other young ladies who may be in a similar situation or who pretty much experience what you have experienced in the past?
So my advice for other persons is that it's not the end of the road. And for me, what I do as well is that my favorite show or series to watch is the Sim Soul Session. And one of my favorite affirmations from it is starve your distraction. Starve your distraction and focus on something. There are many avenues to learn. You have YouTube, which is where I started out initially before becoming a certified graphic designer. And also at this point, the NCB have the open grant. So the grant is open right now as we speak, and it comes at no cost to them.
All right. So if we want to solicit your business, what do we do? Where do we go? Are you on socials? Talk to us about that.
So my business is on all social and Google. We offer personalized tumblers or personalized gifts that aim to display positive attitudes, and mainly quotes or like a photo because, having a source of motivation. We're on all socials. We're on Instagram at Jamcraft by Sue, TikTok, the same name. We're also on Google, LinkedIn, and X, formerly known as Twitter, as Jamcraft by Sue, and on Pinterest as well.
All right. Thank you so much. Entrepreneur and founder of Jamcraft by Sue, Suannn Dallas. Now, coming up next, we review the opposition leader's budget debate presentation. More on Smile after this break.